Well, basically 2 hours with a frozen screen apparently. And I tried to build a chatbot. But I think last stream on the end I cleaned it. Working on a presentation about parallel Python programming. Parallel Python, that sounds like hard. How do you go around the GIL? Global interpreter lock. We do like coroutines or something. It's really hard. Python can do parallel. Well, you can do it in if you have commutative applicative operation, then you can do it. Any commutative operation, you can do it. I suppose. Essentially, if you embrace functor and monoid, you can do it if you need to. Monoid is not commutative. We need to look at semi-group. I think it's not commutative. Yeah, because like is it? You have associativity, but that's not commutative. Just like workers in Node, most of the code folks are running is essentially reductions. I mean, you can do the mapping part in parallel, but reducing you need to be careful. You need to be really careful. What are we doing? Oh, we have FileWatch. Oh, we have GCID. Oh, we have all these things. Oh, it's amazing. Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Instant errors. Wow. I said instant errors. Why are you doing this to me on stream? Oh, I know. The fuck? Not in front of my friends. Come on. Why? That's the refresh. It starts linking. But it doesn't want to accept the errors. Let's redo it. Redo the entire thing. Ray is essentially an actor system. Ray, bye. Charlie. Oh. Team snipe. The fuck do I care about this entire project? Ray is fast, simple framework for building and running distributed application. Ray is looks like Cloud has got. Shared memory and the active message passing. Good. Channels. I think my sense thing is broken again. He was sending validation over and over, huh? But it didn't broke. I wanted it to break. Are you running, by the way? No, I stopped it. Maybe I'll do something today. Oh, Chiroptical, by the way. Whoa, look at that manual. I mean, I'm happy with it. You don't have to be. I think it even can do ideas. No, I don't want to do that. Now it broke. Okay, good. We're in business. We're in business, boys. Run. Don't compile. It's gonna compile. They're both gonna compile. Oh, no, you just need to do validation, so you're done like very quickly. You just need to like get something to run from. That's just that. Movers has commands? Really? Oh, you just need to make an alias for that then. That's all. I mean, I even need like alias help in chat. I want to have alias. Wait, this not alias? Is it a new channel? No. I'm confused. Oh, it's add alias, I think. Oh, the channel points. I've been using that on. I mean, what's the guy called? Tim Baudet or something? He had channel points. I was aware of those. Commands. No. Does this work? Okay, this commands has been created. Didn't work. I think I need to add alias. Help. Ah, never mind that bot. I'm frustrated with the bot. The bot has betrayed me. By being hard to build. Seems neat. Yeah, I don't know about it. It's just like something to keep you on, like some... What do you call it? Like a psychological trick to keep you watching, or like on the platform or something. But like it's not really. Like it's basically distracting from the stream, I think. just to get more points. It seems a bit what do you call it, dystopian? Oh, you need to click to get a bit more. Yeah. Then again, I also wanted to add a gamble functionality to the bot, so whatever. One guy I was watching this morning that folks cash them in for code reviews. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, it would be kind of hard to do that with Haskell because nobody ever gets to the point where they get working code to review. Damn it. This is how they keep the man down. I added the toast today. Today was a good day. Today I made the fancy toast. Today I made the 2 toast. I think 2 toast with even. Whoa. Let's see. Forgot what I call it. You know what? If I run this browser also on the other laptop, then it would also be faster. That's a great idea, Yappy. Let's do that. Now you may ask, but Yappy, you can't even do that through SSH, can you? Well, if you ask, yes, you may be able to. Fuck. Failed to launch GPU process. Yes, because I was running on the other laptop. Well, what's just Firefox? Firefox now. I say. How does it work? Firefox is already running another Sonic. Okay. We just need a pure kill and then we can run. There we go. So this is actually running on the other machine. Which is why it's laggy as fuck. Well, what is it doing? It was supposed to be faster. Why is it opening 2? Look at them speeds. But there's really no Firefox running now, yeah? I never believed this thing, but no Firefox. There you have it. Firefox on a remote machine. And the reason why it's so slow is because I get so laggy because it's actually sending over images. It's sending over images of the entire window. I think without compression even. So this is like, it's just sending over the input command to the process and then let the process render and then send the entire image back over network. So you get like a lot of bandwidth usage. I think a fair bit of it. It doesn't matter because I'm on local network, so it's all fast. Yeah. I don't know. I found it interesting that you can do this kind of stuff. You can open a X command through shell. That's basically what I did here. Maybe a lifesaver to someday. Look at that! Look at that! These error messages. So before we this would be actually give success, but I fixed it today. Oh, this is in Dutch. What the fuck? Let's translate. It's supposed to be faster. What the fuck, man? Why is it so slow? I don't believe it doesn't take any CPU. Maybe it does take CPU. Just under a different name or something. Like Xork window. X! I bet it's X. Let's kill X. No, let's not kill X. Anyway, we'll just keep on using Chromium. I wanted to use Chromium on the other one. I hope that was faster than this. Chromium doesn't even boot like that. The fuck, Chromium? You were supposed to be better. Yeah, it's complaining about lack of GPU. Just file a bug report to Chromium. Can't lance over SSH. Let's do that. I mean, like, this is just a normal use case. Why doesn't it work? What the fuck, Chromium? Firefox works. Everyone saw Firefox work, right? By the way, how are you forwarding X? I use SSH -Y. There is the Y spell. This, I think the images are not compressed either, otherwise it would be more snappy. So maybe if you pipe it through... Yeah, I'm not sure. Do you have a better one? You can compress them. Wait, is that something that people actually do on a regular basis? Per host configuration file actually enables for the recent blah blah blah. So like this is the crappy one. This one is with security. You don't want to have security on local network. That's crazy. Let's use Y. Y is the good one. How do you do compression then? Label verbose moded. Compression. I thought it was compression. Oh, I think it's enabled by default. This thing. Use for compression. Now let's compress my SSH traffic. I thought it was enabled by default. It's just the thing you should. Press compression of all data. Compression is the same used by gzip. Not even broadly. What the fuck? What the fuck, man? Old people. Compression is desirable on modern modem lines and other slow connections, but will only slow down things on fast networks. The default value can be set in host by host basis on the configuration file. See the compression option. No, this is like an old statement. Compression is all gzip compression is always better. Because CPUs are so fast these days. I think back in the day when you had like 1 megahertz or something, then yeah. iSpec. Right, because gzip compression is actually crappy compression for video. You need to have you need to actually have an encoding step in between. That's the good way. So like for example how YouTube does it. Because like if you have an image then and if you have a video, then it's often the case that the image will be the same after each other. Like large areas of the video are the same. You can just reuse those images over time. So yes, you need to have actually FRP for your, because you need to abstract over compression over time. So you need to have FRP or whatever. It was -C. We just saw it. Right, you saw it. Okay. It's a kernel-based VPN, basically. It's not easy to set up. iSpec Nixos. I bet I can just enable it and it's done. Probably need to reboot though, so it won't do it. It doesn't know about the iSpec. Oh, whatever. We'll use the C thing. I don't think it's gonna matter though. Like it's still gonna be laggy because it's video. You need to have what I said. You need to have encoding and decoding. So let's not do that actually. Let's just use the old-fashioned way of crappy stuff.